Okay, Operation Master. Kia rite, kia mau. To infiltrate the Angitu hive, we target the hierarchy. All right? We secure influence and we establish dominance.
Taiwa, what? I thought we were just going to make a good first impression.
Otaringa, were you even listening, Kamaea? Okay, new plan. Rotaki ho. You two, go and vibe, yeah? You can do that. Make everyone like you. I'll do all the groundwork.
Kia kaha koe, Harrison. Good luck with that. I'm going to go inside and get me a good spot. Whoa, what? Hey, Taiwa! Wait for me, bro!
Don't forget the plan. Today is critical. I thrive in unfamiliar MāORI spaces by over-preparing and engaging that rangatira energy. You belong here. Kia tau te Māori. Yeah, boy.
Oh, my Harry, my poor Harry. He honestly has no idea what the hell he's about to walk into. I love you, Harry, but good luck today. We're here. It's been a lot of planning for this, but it's day one of the Angitu muster. Kamaea, Aniwa, they're ready, they're prepared as much as they can, and I will do whatever it takes to get them into the rōpū. Whatever it takes.
Do you know that? That's the first speaker over there.
Oh, yeah.
He used to come to the school, so we always used to come here. And he used to be the leader.
Oh, so that's the general, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one with the dreams. The general.
Oh, it looks exactly what I thought it was going to look like. It actually is gonna...
Oh, Pere, over here, the one closest to us.
He's our matriarch.
Yeah. Wow.
We stay away from TV.
Oh my God, I'm going to write two bit in it, actually.
Oh, well, hello there, Harrison.
Hello.
Lovely to meet you.
Good to meet you.
This is Harrison, this is Pere, po ia te matriarch o te kapa.
Okay, so I just stood beside Piri Wehongi, bucket list, check. And I've just got this great feeling in me that it's just gonna be an award-winning doco. It will.
Kia ora. Keep it moving, Harrison.
Oh, bro, kei te kaha kōrero a Harrison mo tēnei pakipu me ka kaurea no ia ka tae mai ki tētai whakahara tau kapahaka. No reira, ka kuhu mai ia, kia tae mai rā no ia ki te Circle of Life. Nen ka kite ai te wauatanga o tēnei mahi.
Atamari, good morning, sunshines.
Good morning!
Good morning, sunshines.
Good morning!
Kei ngā kanohi hou, anei, tēnā, kia tū mai tēnā o koutou. Please tell us, tō ingoa, ko ai koe, no hea koe, where are you from? O tira, te take I piri mai ai koe ki tēnei kaupapa. Why did you join or come to Angitu?
Kia ora te whānau. Ko Harrison tōku ingoa. I'm not trialling today, so count yourselves lucky. I'm actually here to make a documentary of... Oh, it's a bit starstruck. I know I've studied you guys a lot. You're actually quite celebs to me, especially Jewish General. Oh, next level, he's right behind me. Damn, all right. Whew. But if you do want to chat or anything, guys, I will be around. Share some trade secrets, kind of find out who's in charge and how I can get to the top with my team. Kia ora, thank you.
Kia ora, Harrison.
It's nice to have our tangata tiriti involved in the kaupapa.
Thank you. Pity things on my Pākehā, that I'm actually Ngāti Kānonu. But it's fine, because we'll hang out later and I'll give him a word, so it's what it is.
And who?
Jim, Shircle. Hypothetically, if I were to infiltrate a Haka team, we call it o kia wai.
Janara, he's the fellow with the sharkies. He told you rangatira ne.
Glasses inside. Rangatira? Yeah, it's pretty hard to. G-Man, General, new bestie. Quick parto.
Hard dinner, my bro.
How much is it going to take to make my people make your team?
You're funny, my brother. Funny guy.
20. Tai hoake. I'll crack up.
You're funny, my bro.
50. This too far, I can't even hear that.